Hey everyone, Dustin with Let's Chat. In this episode, I want to talk about RV maintenance and how often to do it. Every time I go camping, I'm going to inspect my trailer. I'm going to walk around, look at all the seams, look for any wet spots or discoloration, just to make sure that nothing's wrong with it. Try to catch any issues before it gets any worse. But beyond that, twice a year, I'll bring it into the shop and have them thoroughly go over the roof, all the vents, all the windows, as well as I going over these things too. So that way they can catch something if I don't. Every winter or every fall, I'll bring it in to get it winterized. I'll have them check it over for the winter time. Every spring, I'll bring it out and get it inspected, have them grease up the bearings and check out the wheels and tires and axles while they're looking over the lights and the towing. And I'll have them go over the seams and again the roof as well for spring. And then every time I go camping, I'll inspect it before the camping trip, inspect it, a couple times throughout the trip, and then go over it before I put it away for storage again. So as long as I do that, I tend to see that they're lasting a long time. People that take care of their trailer like this tend to have them for a long time. So if you have any more questions or I forgot something, please leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.